Alright guys, today we're going to make a charcuterie board out of this piece of white oak. It's kind of rough as you can see. We're going to try to cut it here, right at this divot here, and then get this thing cleaned up. Now white oak can be used for cutting boards or charcuterie boards. It's a hard wood and it does good for both. Today we're going to make a charcuterie board, but it can go for either one. We're going to cut this thing at 24 inches using our Craig tool stop. We're going to be right at that bad spot here. Now we can use the rest of this board at some point to make another charcuterie board or a table or something. But right now we're just going to use this bad end here. Here we got our board, and it's going to be a live edge charcuterie board. Now let's run it through the planer. We got this thing planed off. You can see how good that white oak looks. Now we're going to sand these sides off. We got a belt sander we can use for that. And then we'll sand this down and put a finish on it. Alright, we got this piece sanded. It's kind of narrow on the side, so we're going to do some sanding so it'll thicken up a little bit. Oh, we got a little more rounded on the sides. Now we're going to take our 120 and go over with the hand sander. So here's the finished sanded white oak board. This tree was an old tree that we salvaged, so the bark had kind of come off of it. So when you get an old tree like that, it's hard to get the bark to stay on it. And most of the trees we get have been blown down by the storm. So now we're going to put some mineral oil on it and get it finished up. And this is just food grade mineral oil. So you can see what it kind of looks like after we put the mineral oil on it. We're going to take it inside and put some wax on it. You'll be able to see it a little better. We're going to use this wood wax to finish the board. you can see what that white oak board looks like once the wax is put on it. Turned out pretty good. There's dark spaces here and a few little holes here and a little different color there. This is what this board looks like with a champagne bronze handle. And if we put a bronze handle, this is what it looks like with a bronze handle.